Hi, on the Woodpecker today. I'm fixing the legs of my sister's table. My sister owns a very nice Chippendale style diner set. The other day, she phones me in a state of panic. She had a major incident with the table's legs. It's not as elegant like this. So René and I went to her home and removed the remaining set of legs. I want to avoid another catastrophe, so I bring this to the shop. The problem of the first base is pretty obvious, but the other one also has major issues. To fix this, I have to remove the reinforcing screws and remove the loose legs. I know you're asking yourself, what happened? It's quite easy. Unlike myself, when they glued those legs, they were cheap with the glue and they only spread a little, just on the tenon. They didn't put any inside the mortises. Lucky for my sister, it didn't break before. This won't happen to me because I'm not scared of using glue. But for now, I need to re-glue this just there. The first thing to do is remove the old glue. Next, I spread glue. This is quite easy. I spread it where there's no finish. And I make sure that I have glue inside the mortise this time. I don't want this to unglue itself in several years. I also spread glue on the legs and put it in place. The top of the leg where it's broken is clamped with a hose clamp. The other side with a normal clamp. With finish already on the wood, cleaning the glue squeeze out is a breeze. Since I have the space, and to help a little, I add some glue behind the tenon. But pushing the glue inside is quite difficult. Now I have to do the same thing for the leg of the other base. But for this one, it will be much simpler, because the dovetail is not broken. I just have to spread glue on the bare wood, slide the leg in place, and clamp it. I also add some glue behind the tenon. But it's a pain, so I fill my small needle bottle and add glue with a needle. Now adding glue is a breeze. When the glue of the first two legs is dry, I glue the remaining two legs. In fact, only 2 of 3 legs of each base fell off. The next day I can remove the clamps and screw back the reinforcing metal strips. It's a pain with those flathead screws. I had plugged the center hole, so now I need to drill a small hole for the center screw and screw a longer one than the one that was there before. And the job is done. I just need to go back to my sister's place and with the help of my brother-in-law, reassemble the table. It's not that complicated. Only 8 screws that are screwed in by hand. And after putting back the middle panel, Lisa has her diner table back. This was how I repaired my sister's diner table legs. I was a real hero. She was very happy. As for us, we'll see each other soon in the next episode of The Woodpecker.